What's saying, YouTube? World War Mini here again. Today we're looking at MENG'S Precision Hobby Drill Bit Set. Now, I've been looking all over this. I got it for a decent price, $17. You can see it again on AliExpress. Sometimes for as low as like $8, but then you're waiting 2 months to show up in the mail. It's up to you. I just got a Dremel, so I'm excited all about it. So let's take a look at it. First, let's open it up. Nicely packaged, as most of these newer products are these days. Strange little thing here. Never seen that. Alright. Nice. It's beautiful. I like that each bit is actually labeled. You can see. It's nice. There's a little bit of markings on there. This webcam ain't good enough, but that's great. Okay, so we're going to test today. I'm working on a scratch built wheelbarrow, and this is going to be the handles. So I need to try and drill out his hand, and most likely we'll just test on the foot today for some pegging. So let's find the appropriate diameter. This one goes from, I think it was 0.4, yeah, 0.4 up to 1.3 mil. 1.5. Let's go one more. Now, the guy at the hobby shop said that tungsten steel isn't necessarily the strongest. I always thought it was, so I'm interested. I don't even know if this fits in the Dremel, so this is all a big test for all of us, so it's good. Can't see why it wouldn't. I'm assuming it's like most bits. The closer you have it in, the more stability it has. But that fits nice. That's the Dremel 3000. Oh yeah. Okay. As per usual, whenever working with power tools and things, protect your eyes. You only get 2 of them. They don't grow back. Alright. So let's just do a test on the bottom of the foot here. It's not going to destroy the model. And while we're at that, an old piece. Paper clip. Just line it up. It's all perfect. Now, I won't lie, I've never done this, so let's see how it goes. We'll start it off at 2. Gotta be gentle with the figure itself. The boot falls off, whatever. Did this a while ago. Ooh, wow, that's beautiful. Holy, that's amazing. I'll probably never use a pin vise again, to be honest. It's resin too, so be careful with your breathing. It is poisonous. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Now, like when I'm reading, you gotta be careful, I guess, with plastics because you can melt them. Now this next hole is gonna be a little more delicate. We'll see how this goes. But this. There we go. A millimeter to spare. Nice. You gotta be careful when it first hits. Gives you a little bit of oh yeah, that's perfect. It's a little bit of pressure, but that's all right. All right. Well, World War Mini out here. Thanks for checking in. Again, that's the Meng tungsten steel drill bill set. This is a go. A must-have. Snipe a sub. Keep in cover. World War Mini out. Oh, I just want to add a little bonus here. Usually when I'm dealing with most of my metals, when I'm done, especially my X-Acto knives, grab some isopropyl, and I have sweaty hands, so it doesn't help. So my blades rust out. So I just take some of that rubbing alcohol and just go over all the metal parts that I touched, and that'll make sure they don't rust out come morning, and that will happen to you. Thanks again.